Ever wondered what it feels like to drive an unbreakable vehicle? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a vehicle that's causing quite a stir, the 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser. But this isn't just any Land Cruiser. This is a vehicle that's been dubbed unbreakable. Intrigued? You should be. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a symbol of strength, durability, and reliability that has stood the test of time. Since its inception in 1951, the Land Cruiser has been the go-to vehicle for explorers, adventurers, and anyone who needed a vehicle that could withstand the harshest conditions and toughest terrains without breaking a sweat. Well, from the scorching deserts of Africa to the icy roads of Siberia, the Land Cruiser has proven its mettle time and time again. It's not just a car, it's a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. Over the years, the Land Cruiser has evolved, with each new model bringing with it a host of improvements and advancements. However, one thing has remained constant: its unyielding reliability. The Land Cruiser's reputation for being virtually indestructible is not just a marketing gimmick. It's a fact that has been proven time and time again in some of the world's most challenging environments. The 2023 update. But this year, Toyota has taken it up a notch. The 2023 update is here, and it's redefining what we thought was possible. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution. The new Land Cruiser is being hailed as unbreakable. But what does that really mean? The 2023 model brings with it a host of improvements and advancements that set it apart from its predecessors. For starters, it features an enhanced suspension system that provides improved off-road capabilities. Whether you're navigating rocky terrain or traversing through muddy trails, the new Land Cruiser is designed to handle it all with ease. In addition to its improved off-road capabilities, the 2023 model also boasts a more robust body structure. By utilizing high-strength steel and advanced manufacturing techniques, Toyota has managed to create a vehicle that is not only tougher, but also lighter than before. This not only enhances its durability, but also improves its performance and fuel efficiency. But perhaps the most significant aspect of the 2023 update is its advanced safety features. With features like autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, the new Land Cruiser is designed to keep you safe on and off the road. In essence, the 2023 update takes everything that made the Land Cruiser great and makes it even better. It's not just an update, it's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, advancement, and above all, reliability. Features. While the 2023 update brings a host of improvements to the Land Cruiser, there are a few standout features that deserve special mention. One of these is the advanced infotainment system. With a high-resolution touchscreen display, integrated navigation, and smartphone compatibility, it ensures you're always connected, even when you're off the beaten path. Well, the interior of the new Land Cruiser is another highlight. Plush leather seats offer unparalleled comfort, while the spacious cabin ensures ample room for passengers and cargo alike. Plus, with features like dual-zone automatic climate control and ambient lighting, every journey is sure to be a comfortable one. Under the hood, the 2023 Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint either. Its powerful engine delivers impressive performance, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tough off-road terrain. And with its improved fuel efficiency, you can go further on every tank of gas. The 2023 Land Cruiser has certainly made waves in the automotive industry. Many experts and enthusiasts alike have been quick to praise its robust design and advanced features. Many have noted that it sets a new standard for what an SUV can be, offering a perfect blend of luxury and ruggedness. Industry publications have lauded its off-road capabilities, noting that it performs exceptionally well in a variety of conditions. Its safety features have also been highlighted, with many praising Toyota's commitment to driver and passenger safety. In a nutshell, the industry reaction to the 2023 Land Cruiser has been overwhelmingly positive. It's clear that this vehicle has not only lived up to the high standards set by its predecessors, but has also raised the bar for future models. Comparison. When it comes to comparing the new 2023 Land Cruiser with its predecessors and competitors, it's clear that this model is in a league of its own. Let's start with its predecessors. While previous models of the Land Cruiser have always been known for their durability and off-road capabilities, the 2023 model takes this to a whole new level. With its enhanced suspension system, more robust body structure, and advanced safety features, it offers a driving experience that is unmatched by any of its predecessors. Now, let's look at the competition. In the SUV segment, there are several notable competitors such as the Range Rover, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Bronco. While these vehicles each have their own strengths, none of them quite match up to the 2023 Land Cruiser when it comes to a combination of off-road prowess, luxury, and advanced features. The Range Rover, for instance, is known for its luxury and comfort, but falls short when it comes to off-road capabilities. The Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco, on the other hand, are renowned for their off-road abilities, but don't offer the same level of comfort and advanced features as the Land Cruiser. Well, whether you're comparing it to its predecessors or its competitors, the 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser stands head and shoulders above the rest. It truly is in a class of its own. To sum up, the 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just an update, it's a statement. A statement that says, bring it on to any challenge that comes its way. So what do you think about the new Land Cruiser? Do you think it lives up to its unbreakable status? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep cruising!